In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for businesses across all industries, including photography. The internet offers a vast platform for exposure and can significantly impact the success of your photography business. One effective way to enhance your online presence is through media exposure, particularly through articles, interviews, and features on news websites and social media platforms. These online mentions not only contribute to your digital footprint, but also offer several benefits that can help grow your business. Do you want boosted online presence for your photography business? Take the following tips to heart and act today. Improved search engine rankings. When potential clients search for local photographers, having a high ranking on search engine results pages is essential. Online media coverage can contribute to boosting your search engine rankings, making it easier for potential clients to find you. Backlinks from reputable websites to your photography website are a crucial factor that search engines consider when determining the authority and relevance of a website. Each mention or feature you receive online provides valuable backlinks, increasing your website's visibility and authority in the eyes of search engines. Increased online visibility. Media exposure can significantly increase your online visibility. When your photography business is mentioned in articles or features, it exposes your brand to a wider audience, many of whom may not have been aware of your services otherwise. This increased visibility can lead to greater brand recognition and attract potential clients who may be seeking professional photographers in your area. By reaching a broader audience through online media, you expand your chances of connecting with individuals who are genuinely interested in your photography services. Expanded audience reach. Online media coverage allows you to tap into various social media platforms, news websites, and online communities, giving you access to a diverse audience. Different platforms have their unique user base, and being featured across multiple channels broadens your reach and introduces your work to individuals who may have different interests and preferences. This exposure has the potential to attract clients from different demographics and increase your opportunities for bookings and collaborations. Enhanced website traffic. One of the valuable benefits of media exposure is the potential to drive traffic to your photography website. When your business is mentioned in an article or featured on a popular website or social media platform, interested readers and potential clients are likely to click on the provided links to learn more about your work. This influx of traffic can lead to increased inquiries, bookings, and ultimately more business opportunities. It is important to ensure that your website is visually appealing, user-friendly, and showcases your portfolio effectively to convert website visitors into paying clients. Building credibility and trust. Being featured in online media adds credibility and establishes trust in your photography business. When your work is highlighted in reputable publications or platforms, it serves as a testament to the quality and professionalism of your services. Potential clients are more likely to trust and choose a photographer who has been positively reviewed or featured in a trusted news source or influential social media account. Media exposure helps build your reputation and positions you as an expert in your field, making it easier to attract clients and secure profitable partnerships. Conclusion. In today's digital landscape, online media exposure plays a crucial role in boosting the online presence of your photography business. The benefits of increased visibility, improved search engine rankings, expanded audience reach, enhanced website traffic, and building credibility cannot be overstated. By actively seeking media opportunities, collaborating with influencers, and creating compelling content, you can elevate your photography business's visibility and attract a steady stream of clients. Embrace the power of online media and leverage it to take your photography business to new heights.